We present to you the International Business Presentation. As a part of evaluation of a subject of Semester 7 of Production Engineering at VJTI Mumbai, this presentation focuses on the business model of AGC Incorporation. AGC Incorporation, formerly known as Asahi Glass Company Private Limited, is a MNC that deals in manufacturing of different types of glass and bioscience materials. This presentation has been prepared by Anvi Ingle and Yash Patni. All the information, facts, and details have been taken from the AGC website mentioned in the references in the end. Let us have a look at the official AGC overview video posted by the company online.
Over a century, AGC has been an innovator in various industries. We've brought comfort to people's homes, entertainment into their lives, and we've been helping people to get from place to place faster and safer. We have brought communities together with our products. We offer a wide range of materials such as glass, electronics, chemicals, and ceramics. And operate in over 30 countries and regions with over 50,000 employees, working to provide essential products for day-to-day life. Our research and development team thrives to achieve a better society and standard of living. At any point in time, AGC has played a part in supporting society, providing unique materials and solutions. Our glass is used in buildings and vehicles around the world. Our chemicals business offers a wide range from daily products such as baking soda to materials used for iconic buildings around the globe. Furthermore, providing solutions to advanced medical care and expected food shortage issues. Our display glass enables clearer images. By utilizing a wide range of technology, AGC contributes to the development of the electronics industry. By providing unique materials and solutions, AGC is always around you, supporting people's lives anywhere in the world. AGC.
AGC Incorporation's mission. AGC has been a forerunner since more than a century now. It is due to the planned mission and vision of the firm that they have always led the market and business. The mission of the firm is to make AGC an essential part of our everyday world. Its unique materials and solutions make people's lives better around the world every day. AGC aims to be the first choice solution provider for its customers by building a long-term trusted relationship with them. The company believes in shared values among employees and customers. It aims innovation in technology, products and services beyond conventional concepts and frameworks. It is constantly working to improve all aspects of operations and services. Besides, shared values in diversity, integrity, and environment also hold importance in AGC ideology. Respecting cultural, ethnic, and national diversity has been the main motto of AGC. This helps the firm build open and strong relationships with not only employees but also stakeholders and customers. AGC holds the spirit of never taking the easy way out, but confronting difficulties. This was given by the founder Toshiya Iwasaki and has been handed down since. All these ideologies highlight the vision of AGC. Look beyond, to anticipate and envision the future, to have perspective beyond your expertise, to pursue innovation, to create value. All these values and vision lay the framework for success of AGC and make it the leading manufacturer in its field. Let us now talk about the history of AGC. It has been more than a century that Asahi Group has been a major part of the industry and the markets. In 1907, Asahi Glass Company Limited was established by Toshiya Iwasaki in the city of Amagasaki in Japan. Starting from a single plant and limited machinery, the firm started its operations in glass manufacturing. The first shipment of sheet glass was exported to England in 1914. This was the first global order delivered by the company. After 1914, the company gained grounds and established a strong reach in the markets. To cater at a bigger level, the headquarters of the firm were shifted to Tokyo in 1970. With greater demand, the company needed better facilities, connectivity, and labor, and hence shifted the headquarters. After almost 20 years of gaining trust among people, Asahi was listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange in the year 1937. This was the beginning of conversion of the firm into a MNC. In 1956, the firm established its first international subsidiary in India to expand business internationally and stay ahead of other Japanese giants. This was followed by plants in Thailand, Indonesia, Belgium, Netherlands, etc. in the period of 1960 to 1980. Finally, in 1985, the firm made a full-scale entry in the glass business in the United States. This was followed by the entry in Russian market in 1997. All this progress led to the unification of the company name under AGC Limited in the year 2007. In 2018, the bioscience business of the firm was merged with the glass business and came to be known as AGC Incorporation. In this way, since a century, this company has been active in the markets and has proved itself to be a forerunner in the business. Let us now look at the evolution of business and product technologies at AGC Incorporation. When Asahi was established in 1907, only float glass manufacturing took place in the plant. It was for the first time in 1909 that Belgian hand-blown sheet glass manufacturing started in Asahi in Japan. With the passage of time, Asahi started manufacturing the raw materials required for glass manufacturing, like long-lasting refractory bricks for melting furnaces in 1916 and soda ash production in 1917 when the headquarters were shifted to Tokyo. These new production lines led the firm on the road to be self-sufficient for production of glass. In 1938, production of tempered glass and laminated glass was commenced. In 1954, the firm started manufacturing double glazing pair glass. It is an insulating glass of 2 or more window panes separated by vacuum or gas to reduce the heat transfer. In 1955, manufacturing of glass bulbs for television picture tubes began in Japan. In 1972, the Asahi Guard water and oil repellent was developed and is a trademark of the Asahi Group ever since. Drawing on fluorine's extraordinary properties, these chemicals provide excellent protection and durability against water and oil. In 1995, the production of glass substrate for TFT LCDs began. Moving to 2005, the sale of automotive door that blocks infrared rays had gained momentum. With the enhancement in technology, AGC launched the worldwide sales of Dragontail glass in 2011, used for smartphones and tablets. This glass is also a trademark product of the AGC group. Further, the next generation automobile refrigerant with low environment burden, HFO 1234YT, was manufactured and sold by AGC. In this way, from a small separating unit to production of next generation technologically advanced goods, AGC proved to be a pioneer in the market. All this success was possible because AGC ensured that its products not only meet the global demand but are also long-lasting and environment-friendly. Let us now look at the management of AGC Incorporation. The highest level of authority in the AGC Incorporation is the Board of Directors. These are the multifaceted personalities who have an extensive leadership experience in the sector. Mr. Takuya Shimamura is the chairman of AGC, while Mr. Yoshinori Hirai is the representative director president. Mr. Shinji Miyaji holds the position of executive vice president and is a representative director, while Mr. Hideyuki Kurata holds the position of senior executive officer. Besides, Ms. Kaiko Honda, Mr. Hiroyuki Yanagi, and Mr. Yasuchika Hasegawa hold the positions of independent directors at AGC. The second tier of management includes officials like CEO, executive vice presidents for chemical company and automotive company, followed by third tier senior executive officers for architectural glass, electronics, human resources, technology, finance and control, etc. They are followed by executive officers for different continents and sectors, and the general managers. The hierarchy then descends to the fifth tier to individual plant and sector heads, and finally the supervisors and workers. All these officials constitute the hierarchy of AGC Incorporation, who work effortlessly to produce enhanced results each day.
Let's take a tour of the Taloja plant. The AIS Taloja plant has installed capacity to produce 550 tons of glass per day that will help the company increase its overall production capacity by around 60%. According to AIS, the new Taloja plant is extensively and highly modernized, that is equipped with the latest in glass manufacturing technology. It will have capability to produce high quality value-added glass for both architectural and automotive glass segments.
Our mission is to transcend the norms and achieve excellence with all our glass products and solutions. Our entire manufacturing process is streamlined, calibrated and perfected to the highest standards of quality. AIS Clear is a high-quality clear glass that is characterized by high precision flatness and uniform thickness, ensuring perfect clarity of vision and a brilliant lustre. It is available in variety of thicknesses and sizes. AIS tinted heat-absorbing glass absorbs 30 to 45% of the sun's heat, enabling greater comfort and enhanced aesthetics. It is available in a variety of colors, sizes and thicknesses. AIS Crystal is India's only branded frosted glass. It obscures the view while allowing light to pass through, making it ideal for privacy and aesthetic appeal. AIS Opal is India's leading energy-efficient and heat-reflective glass brand. It is available in a range of vibrant colors. AIS Opal's solar control properties make it the best choice for exterior glass and also for various aesthetic applications.
With a 77% market share, AIS Auto Glass products and solutions can be seen on India's best vehicles across the automotive segment. The range of products and solutions include laminated glass for car windscreen, tempered glass for side lights and backlights. Besides offering premium quality laminated windshields that are strong yet lightweight, they offer a range of other value-added products that guarantee driver visibility and safety. From rain sensor windshield that helps reduce distraction while driving under a sudden downpour to heated windshield that automatically melts snow settling onto the glass surface and much more. AIS premium range of value-added glass products will add value to your driving experience. Now we will learn in brief about the floored glass manufacturing process. The basic raw materials are highest quality of soda ash, limestone, dolomite and recycled glass also known as cullet are added to the mixer. Main objective is to select raw material which give minimum batch cost and of good quality which does not jeopardize furnace life. Raw material mixtures enters furnace where it's melted at 1500 degrees Celsius. Cross-fired regenerative type of furnace is used. Fuel is natural gas. There are 6 ports on each side. Cycle is reversed every 20 minutes. Molten glass flows through the canal and enters through tuile and liquid glass floats on the molten tin and spreads across to maintain a constant thickness. Hot end coolers are used to control glass temperature and spread width on the onion. The final bath product is a continuous ribbon of specific thickness which goes into layer section through lift-out rollers for annealing. Then glass is cut by diamond blades that slide across the surface. It is then inspected for defects and bubbles by an automated scanning process that rejects anything not meeting specifications. Glass sheets are lifted and placed in stands ready for shipment and it is delivered to the customer in perfect shape. Frosted glass is a clear sheet of glass that is turned opaque through process of sandblasting or acid etching. Because of light scattering during transmission, glass comes out as translucent, obscuring visibility even as it transmits light. Sandblasting usually uses high-speed machine that blasts down on glass panel with sand to achieve the look. Advantage of using the process is it can be completed in decent amount of time and designs are readily available. Frosting glass is made as per customer requirement, plain or design. They make frosted glass from 2 mm to 12 mm 35 metric ton per day. In this process, we require good quality raw glass, but sometimes we face raw glass rejection issue due to new manpower, raw material issue, poor raw glass quality. The impact was that production was not achieved as per schedule and increase in process cost. We are going to look at the systematic steps in which Asahi has resolved these problems and increased their productivity significantly. The team's objective was to reduce raw glass rejection and frosting process to reduce process cost through improved glass quality. Team conducted a brainstorming session and came up with several issues that possibly lead to rejection of raw glass. Identified problems were divided into categories. A. Can be done by the team itself. B. Involvement of other department required. And C. Management approval necessary. The team solved safety-related problems using Kaizen. The table shows the problems that team has identified. They identified the causes and classified them into man, machine, material, and method. After getting the data, the team conducted another brainstorming session to come up with the solutions. They decided to make standard check sheet and also automated scanning process parameter as per defect size to avoid raw glass rejection at frosting process. Training was given to forklift operators to avoid glass breaking in transit and lifting. AGC since its inception in 1907 has always focused on sustainable growth and development. The company undertakes several CSR activities that benefit not only the society but also the environment. Examples of such activities include energy saving glass for automobiles, light collecting solar power generation module, and energy saving architectural glass. Through the application of AGC Group, basic occupational health and safety policy, implementation of a plan do check cycle, they constantly improve workplace environment. In particular, they also conduct risk assessments with a view to reducing significant risk. All these initiatives suggest that the company is constantly taking steps to make the world a better place. With this, we come to an end of this short presentation on AGC Incorporation. Thank you.